Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the most innovative digital design tools out there. Today, we're exploring Ideogram AI, a game-changing tool that's revolutionizing the way we create typography designs. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just love creating, you're going to want to see this. Now, let's get hands-on. Signing up is a breeze. Once you're in, you're met with a simple yet effective interface. Ideogram AI is not just another design tool. It's a powerful AI that specializes in generating text within images with astonishing accuracy. Check out these examples on your screen. Impressive, right? Clicking the top right profile icon will take you to your profile and the images you have created, if any. Clicking the cog icon will take you to the settings section. There, you will see how many prompts you have left to generate that day, and a subscription plans section. Click that to look at all the subscription plans available. For now, we will stick to the free plan. When you click the prompt input field, options appear on the right-hand side. Magic Prompt, which is the latest feature part of Ideogram 1.0, helps you write detailed prompts for beautiful, thus creative images. Let's leave this option on Auto. Ratio will let you choose the aspect ratio. Leave model on 1.0, as it is the latest one. Visibility, with a free plan, you can only use public. Let's input our first prompt. Neon lights on the wall, text, "This must be the place," and click the photo button underneath and click Generate. Watch as Ideogram brings our idea to life. And there it is! In just seconds, we have several stunning options to choose from. Ideogram's accuracy and speed are unmatched. Let's embellish the first prompt. Pink neon lights on the wall of a living room. Text, "This must be the place," and click the photo style button underneath. All you need is your prompt. Choose a style and hit Generate. Gone are the days of endless tweaking to get your text just right. From eye-catching graffiti to elegant typography designs, Ideogram can do it all with minimal input from your end. As you can see, those images are of good quality and would not be out of place in a photo agency portfolio or stock photography collection like Wirestock. See our previous video for more info. Then input a new prompt. Graffiti spray painting, urban street art, vibrant colors, t-shirt design, 2D, vector, flat, with white background. And in the styles underneath, choose the graffiti button and click Generate. you can see that this third image also includes a more intricate magic prompt. If we copy the magic prompt and go back to the front page and paste it into the prompt input field, and in the Style Buttons section, if we choose Lucky Style, which will select random styles, here conceptual art and 3D render, we get a graffiti, but in a different style. But what if you wanted to tweak your design? That's where the remix feature comes into play. It allows you to iterate on your design, refining or completely changing it with ease. Choose Remix in the top right of the window, which means it uses the selected image and the prompt that generated the image in a new prompt. So we get presented with the prompt field again, and there we can choose many different styles and generate another different piece of AI art. One thing to note, all creations are public for now, apart from the Plus plan, fostering a community of sharing and inspiration. And yes, Ideogram is currently free to use, making it accessible to everyone. But there's more to Ideogram than just creating flashy designs. As highlighted in a recent Medium article, Ideogram excels in creating designs that can convey your brand's message effectively, using typography to evoke emotions and capture attention. No tool is perfect, and Ideogram has its quirks. Writing text vertically or in non-Latin scripts can be tricky. But with creativity and a bit of experimenting, the possibilities are endless. The article also emphasizes the importance of context in typography, reminding us that the right design can make your message resonate more powerfully. Let's now try and use ChatGPT to generate some content for our Ideogram prompt. Ideogram AI is not just a tool, it's a digital canvas that invites you to explore the art of typography in new and exciting ways. Whether you're creating content for social media, designing a poster, or just experimenting, Ideogram opens up a world of possibilities. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity with Ideogram? Give it a try and share your designs with us in the comments below. And remember that, like with previous AI art generators, you can use other users' prompts as inspiration. As you can see, there are many uses possible for this AI tool. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on the latest digital design tools. Until next time, keep creating.